Is there a phrase that you guys use a lot when texting? Well, instead of having to type it out every single time, let's do a keyboard trick. Let's navigate into settings, scroll down to general. From here, you want to scroll down to keyboard and then tap on text replacement. Tap on the plus button and type out the phrase that you want a shortcut for. Now think of a simple shortcut for the phrase that you're replacing. Tap on save. Let's navigate back into the text messaging app and just type the shortcut you came up with. Now you'll see it in the middle, just tap on it and it will replace it with the phrase you came up with. You can make as many as you want. Just make sure you remember your shortcut. Follow me for more tips and tricks.